How many suits should a man have in his wardrobe? If you want to be well dressed for any occasion, there's a simple formula to follow. Let's break it down. Before anything else, your first suit needs to be the most useful one, and that's a solid colored suit, the foundation of your wardrobe. The two most versatile colors? Navy and charcoal. They work for almost any event, from business meetings to formal gatherings. But here's the thing, you don't want to wear the same suit every day. That's why you should have at least 2 navy solids and 2 charcoal solids. This way, you can rotate them and avoid excessive wear. Once you've got your basics covered, it's time to add some variety. Your next 2 suits, a navy stripe and a charcoal stripe. Stripes can actually change the way your body looks. Now, stripes aren't just stripes. You've got pinstripes, pencil stripes, chalk stripes, candy stripes, awning stripes. But which one should you choose? If you're on the shorter side, wider stripes like chalk stripes can add presence. If you're tall and slim, narrow stripes like pinstripes give a sleek, sharp look. To sum it up, your wardrobe should have at least 6 suits, 4 solids, and 2 stripes. These will cover everything from business meetings to weddings, dates, and special occasions. And once you have these 6, you can expand, maybe adding a window pane check, a brown suit, or even a statement double-breasted piece. Master your suit game, and you'll always be ready for any occasion. Want more style tips? Hit that subscribe button and step up your fashion game today.